Online Stats midterm review solutions. Statistic goes with a sample. So when it says a sample of 1345 students, this would be a statistic because it said sample. A parameter goes with a population. LeBron James has a career free throw percentage. It's a population since it said career. That means all of his free throws. So that would be a parameter. Number 2, quantitative is a quantity or an amount. I have 28 students in my online class. Qualitative is a category, quality, or characteristic. I have green eyes. I drive a Honda. Okay, green eyes is a characteristic. Honda would be a category. Discrete and continuous. Discrete is counting numbers only. The Chiefs kicker made 3 field goals. These must be whole numbers. Continuous can have decimals. Usain Bolt's top speed is 27.33 miles per hour. This can have a decimal. Number 4, a bar graph that is ordered highest to lowest is a Pareto chart. A graph that has horizontal or vertical representations of frequencies is a bar graph. A pie graph is a circle that shows the breakdown of percentages for categories. A line graph shows trends over time. Okay, then we're going to get to our calculations. Number 8, find the mean, median, mode, range, and sample standard deviations. Okay, each one of these will be its own question on the test. Okay, so find the mean. That means we add the numbers and divide by how many numbers. Okay, so 8 plus 10 plus 17 plus 17 is 52. Divide by 4 equals 13. Make sure when you hit that last number, you hit enter or equals, so that it gives you the addition and then you divide. Median, since there's an even number of numbers, we average the 2 numbers in the middle. Make sure they are in order from little to big. So there's 4 numbers, so we average the 10 and 17. 10 plus 17 is 27. Divide by 2 is 13.5. Okay. If there were 5 numbers, there would be an exact middle. The mode is the most frequent most often, which would be 17. The range is the high minus the low, so 17 minus 8 is 9. All right, now the sample standard deviation. We take each number minus the mean, then we square those, then we add those, then we divide, and then we take the square root. So the first number was 8. I minus the mean, which was 13. And that gives me -5. The next number was 10. I subtract the mean of 13 equals -3. 17 minus 13 is 4. 17 minus 13 is 4. On bottom, n minus 1. N means the number of numbers. So 4 is the number of numbers, and the formula for sample standard deviation tells us to subtract 1. Okay, this funny looking E symbol, okay, is the Greek letter sigma, the uppercase Greek letter sigma, and it means to add. So that's why we have the additions in between these parentheses. Okay, next we do our exponents. We do the order of operations. We do inside the parentheses first. Okay, square means the number times itself. A negative times a negative equals a positive. 5 times 5 is 25. -3 times -3 equals 9. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, now add the numbers on top. Okay, after you hit that last number, make sure you hit enter or equals. Divide, and then take the square root. Rounded to tenths means that first decimal place. Okay, so there's a 9 after the 6, tells that 6 to round up to a 9. Okay, the last question will be a basic probability. If there's 8 blue, 2 red, 1 green, okay, there's 11 total, 2 are red. Find the probability that you randomly pick one and that it's red. So there's 2 red out of 11 total, so 2 out of 11. And that is your review for the midterm.